Hey, what's going on guys? Certified Rogue here, and today guys I'm bringing you a video about how to search the internet while on the PlayStation 5. Now I know there's a couple of videos already out there on the internet explaining how to do this, but I was actually unaware that that was a feature, considering I had looked it up when the PlayStation 5 first came out and was unable to find a way to do it. And that, made me a little disappointed considering the PS4 had integrated web browsing. So it's really simple to access the internet, and here we go. I'm going to show you on screen what it looks like first. So here's google.com. It's going to be like your typical web browser. I mean, you can search up anything you can search uh, on normal Google, like YouTube here. It's going to take a little bit to load. I won't lie, it's a little slow, but here it's going to load and it's going to be just like normal YouTube. I mean, you can watch any of the videos, you can search whatever you want. I mean, shoot, you could even search me up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's just like your normal web browser. I mean, you could search up 123 movies and watch movies on the PlayStation if you're interested. I mean, it's really simple. And all you're going to want to do is make a chat with your friend and type in google.com, and it's going to pop up. And all you have to do is click on it, and boom, there you go. You have the search engine.